Do you know how many types of cutlery are there and how to use them? Cutlery isn't just about forks, spoons, and knives. It's a wide array of tools that help us prepare, serve, and enjoy our food. Let's dive into the fascinating world of cutlery. First, we have the fork, an essential tool for picking up food. Then comes the spoon, perfect for soups or stirring your tea. The knife, with its sharp edge, is your go-to for slicing and spreading. Plates serve as the stage for your meals, while cups hold your favorite beverages. And let's not forget glasses. They're great for water, or maybe a little lemonade on a sunny day. Each piece of cutlery has its own unique role in our dining experience. And that's not all. There are even more types of cutlery to discover. Now, knowing the names of these tools isn't enough. We also need to know how to use them properly. Let's start with the fork and knife. Hold them gently but firmly, using your index finger as a guide. For the spoon, cup, and glass, always use your right hand. Now, the plate is our main stage. Keep it clean and free from spills. And remember, don't rush. Take your time to enjoy your food. Remember, using cutlery properly shows respect for the people around you and for the food you're eating. Just like any other tools, cutlery needs care too. It's crucial to clean your cutlery after every use, making sure no food bits are left behind. Dry them well because moisture can cause damage over time. When storing, keep them in a dry place, preferably in a cutlery tray. This keeps them organized and prevents scratches. Remember, treating your cutlery right doesn't just keep them looking good, it also helps them last longer. Proper care ensures that our cutlery remains shiny and useful for a long time. And there you have it, the world of cutlery at your fingertips. From forks to glasses, each has its unique role at the dining table. Using and caring for them correctly elevates our dining experience. So the next time you sit down for a meal, remember what you've learned today. Happy dining!